Now, would you say it's sort of we are taking all good options space because you can't find all the people you need within existing biopharma companies, although you need some people with those backgrounds. There's other manufacturing sectors. There's people still in school who are trying to choose how are you getting the pipeline filled that you need to fill?
So that's a pretty tough question, right? Because when you're really thinking about it, you're orchestrating an entire next generation of leaders, right? So I think some of the ways that you could, if I were to go ahead and build that, right, what I would do is that I would start to go ahead and introduce this idea of what does it mean at the very early stage at the universities and colleges, right? Because manufacturing and QC is not really sexy, right? And how do you go ahead and make that very exciting and interesting for them? Because if you take a look at the talent pool today, everybody wants to be a VP tomorrow, right? That doesn't work that way. So you have to go through, and if you consider you and I, right, we have been in the industry for a long time, and we have gone through so many different steps to the place where we have gotten today. So how do we then go ahead and consider these new, kids, the next generation, and how do you excite them in that space, and how do we then bring them into a corporation or a company and groom them in that new space that they're in, cell and gene or advanced therapeutics, and how do we then take them through those leadership fundamentals and grow them within that environment, right?